Hey everybody, just a quick second here. I got so much stuff to go through behind me with unboxings and whatnot of the Prime Day haul that I've kind of collected over the last week. But I'm a real sucker for these shoes here, the Skechers, particularly the slip-ins. I don't know, just for me, it's the perfect shoe and it makes the perfect sense for me. I did pick up a pair that these were like almost half price, so I kind of had to get them. But these are a 10.5 wide fit, and that's the size it recommends for me. Sometimes I'd wear an 11, sometimes 10.5, but in these Skechers, 10.5 wide fit seems to be the best for me. So this is what I got. Okay, let me know what you think of them. Kind of an old man shoe maybe, or maybe not so old man of a shoe. They say if the shoe fits, right? I'm going to tell you what these are. I really like the style of these. I haven't had a pair of these yet, but I like them. See, it says got like a mesh, and you take this out of here. These are always hard to get out sometimes. Yeah. Oh boy, these are nice and smooth inside. It's got the mesh toe. Let's get the other one out. I'll tell you what the model of these are. These are called Delson 3.0 Roth and taupe. Kind of a mouthful, but these are made in Vietnam and they're vegan. Whatever the vegan shoe means, I guess they're not made out of meat. It's kind of stupid. But these shoes are like the perfect shoe for me for some reason. I just love the slip-ins. It just goes on so easy. It's got this little cushion here, so when you put your foot in, kind of just forces your foot right into it. Now let's see how this is actually gonna work here. I'll put one on and we'll take a look. Oh boy, oh man. This is like cloud 9, I'm telling you right now, cloud 9. Oh boy, this is the absolute perfect fit. I'll show you what they look like. There you go. What do you think? Would you wear those shoes? Or would you think it's too old man? But regardless of whether you think it's too old man or not, I'm wearing them because I like them. All right? I think they look pretty good. So, those are my new shoes. Thanks for watching. Check them out in the link in the description and get yourself 5 or 6 pair. Thank you.